All right, so here's a great example of a predetermined turnover. All right, so check it out. All right, now notice something. Now this seems like what are you talking about? Is you just lost the ball, but you have to pay attention to something. This was a trigger. This is a triggered animation. Let's look at it from a top view, aerial view. This is a triggered animation, basically. All right. So when he went to reach for the ball, even though he didn't touch it, I was still forced to drop it. But both of us were locked into the same animation. This is a triggered animation. This is a forced outcome. It's a predetermined outcome. All right. So let's look at it again. When you see both of us move right on cue, this is not just because he decided to reach. This was done. This was something that was triggered by the AI to happen. All right, so the algorithm says, okay, he loses the ball right here. So now instead of me getting the ball out of his way or just whatever, I'm forced to go into the animation that turns out in me losing the ball, and he didn't even touch it. Keep in mind. So now on top of that, once I lose it, I'm not allowed to chase after it. That's one of the key things about a lot of predetermined turnovers. You drop the ball and you go into this stumbling, fumbling, bumbling animation. Typically, it's a lot worse than this that just happened. But you're forced to do that so that you do not have the chance to actually recover the ball because it was a predetermined outcome. It was a predetermined turnover. You were already predestined to lose the ball in many instances. That'll just about do it for this one. Peace.